We have a lovely guest, Andy Cohen, and we're making a...
Andy Cohen!
Oh, Jesus, sorry.
Oh my God, you know who Andy Cohen is?
Yes. Hey,
Wow,
it happens.
my first and last time in Brad's kitchen. Woo!
Hey guys, welcome back to Making It. Today we have a special guest and a special book. We have the lovely Jake Cohen, everyone.
Hello, hello.
And today we're going to be making some French toast sticks from his new book. Check it out, get yourself a copy, make it yourself. We're gonna cook it together here, and we're gonna have a real freaking good time doing it. So Jake, thanks for coming, man.
Oh my God, my pleasure. So excited.
Before we get it cooking, I have a little ingredient shrine.
Okay.
All right, it's a little witchcrafty, it's a little...
Very witchy. I'm very witchy.
I knew I liked
the
it.
vibe.
A new thing, check this out, my lovely wife, Peggy, she's got a little garlic pot.
I love that. Little Morel candles, I'm obsessed.
Yeah, we got everything. Oh, we can spend some time in here, but I got fossilized wood, I got megalodon teeth.
What's the purpose of this? What's the vibe?
I just like collecting things.
Obsessed.
And it becomes a little fun thing, you know? Your new book, tell us about it a little bit.
It's all dinner party menus.
Yeah,
16 menus for 16 different vibes with your grocery list, your timeline, all your recipes, everything you need to have a crazy party.
Jeez, Jake is the sexiest chef alive.
Period.
Says it right in the book. Well, Benny Blanco himself.
All the recipes both work well and work well as a cohesive unit.
Yeah.
Was a really fun challenge.
Let's get into our bread. The star of the show.
My challah is like the only thing that I really just like. I'm the best.
It's on.
I'm the best.
You're not changing anything else?
No.
6 eggs from the chicks, all right, from the girls outside. We got some maple syrup for finishing. We got some little 10X, powdered sugar, little toppy top. You gotta have a little 10X. The sands of time, Bobby. Milk, butter, cinnamon.
Yeah. To me, this is like a good starting base for everyone.
I love that. Fool around, mess around, but the foundation is clutch. Once you have the foundation, you can kind of do whatever. Well, let's give it up to the shrine and the Lord of Death and Jake for joining us. So let's get baking. Put me to work.
All right, first let's cube this up.
Cube it?
Yeah, cube it. We're toasting it.
Oh, I didn't see that coming.
Get with it,
Where's the bread knife? So you're right, we're making a bread pudding.
We're making a bread pudding, and that also allows you to kind of like knock it out the day before.
Nice and dense too. Airy yet dense.
That's it. If you're doing this at home, just buy fucking challah. Like don't make your own from scratch just to make it into bread
You
pudding.
don't need to, right.
That's crazy.
That's crazy talk.
That's crazy talk.
Good old store-bought, just fine.
Exactly. Even not even good ones, like one that's been sitting out. So this is why we're throwing it in the oven first to start, is we want to dry it out a bit so it has a little bit more like soaking ability for the custard.
Oh, little panzanella effect here.
Exactly.
350
Yep.
in the oven. How long you think, Jake?
Yeah, just like, honestly, 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yeah, it doesn't need to be like super golden. We're gonna pan fry it at the end, so really we're just looking to kind of dry it out. Doesn't even have to be super crazy crouton vibes.
But you would recommend not skipping this step.
Don't skip this step.
Now while that's happening,
We're gonna make a custard.
what do you need, a bowl?
Bowl, 6 eggs,
6 eggs.
1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt.
Beautiful. 4 cups.
4 cups, quart of milk, whole milk, use whole milk, you deserve it. You're making French toast.
It's the only milk worth using.
And you could throw in vanilla or almond extract or ginger or nutmeg or...
Right, all your warm spices if you wanted to. Get as weird as you want. I don't recommend getting too weird with it. But hey, that's the fun of cooking. So our bread's been in the oven for 5 minutes.
15 minutes.
Getting a little toasty, 350 degrees.
Just dry it out. We got it nice and dry so it can soak up all this custard.
We're gonna do the old soak here.
So we got a 9x13 pan lined with parchment, and then you just want to get it into a nice even layer. And then we are going to pour that custard right on top. And then we're gonna let it sit. So the thing about the 45 minutes is throughout that time, I'll come over and I'll just give her a little squish.
A little slight agitation.
Exactly. That's the difference between the bread getting fully saturated and you end up having like more so like a creme brulee baked custard with chunks of bread.
So this looks great. I'll set a timer for 45 minutes. We'll see you guys in some magic minutes, okay? All right, so we're back. Our bread has been soaking in our custardy mixture for we went an hour.
And you see, like, what I did is throughout the process, I like go and I smush. That's the technical term. And what it is it's also gonna make it kind of flat. We wanna cut these into batons to like pan sear them, so just have a nice even layer.
To kind of fuse together a little.
Exactly.
We got this lined with that parchment. You put a little bit of olive oil down, right?
So I always am about greasing the pan before you put in the parchment so it sticks, because anything like this, you want to make sure it comes out really easily, and when we have the egg, some of it will seep underneath the parchment.
So it's just a little under the parchment.
Just a little under the parchment.
Little paper lubricant, like that.
And now we're gonna bake it at 350, and we're really just looking for it to set, but we don't need like crazy color because we're gonna sear it.
So we're making a giant piece together slab of French toast.
Yeah.
Love that. I've never done it like this. It's pretty obvious and brilliant, to be honest. And then this bad boy's going 350, same temp?
350, same temp.
I think it was like 20 to 30 minutes.
Beautiful. 35 minutes. It's been in here. No color. We don't need it to be golden. I just want it set.
So what are we looking for in doneness here?
Really, it's just like the jiggle, and when you press it, it feels
a little snap back, a little medium.
Snap back, a little medium. Let's pull this out and we'll put it on a sheet pan to let it cool quicker.
Gotcha.
And once it comes to room temp, we'll just slice it and pan sear it.
And it slices great?
That slice is great.
Yeah. I will let this cool for a second, and then what, you mentioned you trim up the edges a little?
Trim up the edges, those are chef snacks, and then we'll just like cut it in half lengthwise and then across into batons.
Little French toast sticks, little batoners.
Yeah.
Allowing all those bits to kind of soak in there and not rushing that 45 minute. You get nice saturation, you don't have any dry spots. It's like custard throughout. I like how it's not just one homogenized bread crumb.
Exactly.
Like there's these little lines. You got all these little fun little edges in here. It's kind of nice.
And that's why you don't have like pockets.
Meanwhile, I got a cast iron, put it on what, a little medium heat?
Yeah, we're gonna just do a little butter. It goes so quickly because all you're looking now is for color.
And there's sugar there, it wants to caramelize.
Yes, this can be done long in advance, and then all you gotta do is get a little bit of color, and that's gonna take 2 seconds.
We're crisping up.
You really technically only need to sear it on 2 sides.
Right.
You could keep like top and bottom au naturel.
Sure.
Or you can just go.
There's plenty of natural in the center. You know, I think, you know, crisp them babies up. Fried them up with butter. We did it classy, all 4 sides.
Now we build her.
We build it up.
And you could do it any which way. I've actually never done this before. And when I developed the recipe, I was like, this really should be a Jenga tower.
The leaning tower of French toast. Snow machine. Little drizz.
Little drizz.
Right over top.
That's the sexiest thing ever.
Yeah.
Wow.
We gotta taste it.
We gotta go.
Let's go. Oh my God. Oh, perfect. Wow. Not just is it sweet and nice and French toast, the magic, the takeaway, the best part, it's that custardy. So good.
Wow.
But no, it's that soaking, man, and I think you really nailed the ratios and the time there. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's the best French toast I've had in a while.
Wow, just say ever. Oh my God, you're trying to give me the full compliment.
This is the best French toast I've ever had in my life.
There we go. Clip that.
Wow. I feel bad eating in front of Bill here. Pretty easy.
That's the point, especially because you could break it off over days. So it's like, there's no excuse why you shouldn't do this.
Right. I love it. Fun little project. Good for the kids. Good for the holidays. Good for your mother. Brad, Jake approved. From his book. Check it out. All right. Party fucking animal. All right. That's what he is. He's a dinner party animal. Check the book out.
We'll be back soon.
Thanks for coming, man.
Anytime.
It's a freaking blast. What are we gonna do all those French toast? Just shove it in our faces?
Yeah, you save for your kids. They're gonna get them all sugared up and then I leave.
See you later. Uncle Jake's leaving. Have fun.
Jenga tower is a vibe.
All right. Look at that. We nailed it.
Oh my God.
Drizzle.